How to change Telegram email. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can update your recovery email address on your Telegram app. So without any further ado, let us begin. First of all, you need to open up your Telegram. After you open it up, go to the settings on the bottom right. Now for this, you will have to set up your two-step verification already. If you have not done that, you can do it right now. So here what you'll need to do after you're on your settings is go to your privacy and security, tap on it and you'll be there. Now you're on your privacy and security settings. Under here what you'll need to do is you'll see the two-step verification process, the option. Tap on it and here if you have not set it up, first you will need to set up your a password for your two-step verification. After you type in and create a password, you will then need to give your Gmail, and after you do that, you will need to verify your Gmail. After you do that, your two-step verification is complete. Now after you do that, come back here and tap on two-step verification, type in the password that you just created, and after you do that, you will see different options. First is to change password, second is to disable password, third is to change recovery email. Tap on change recovery email and type in the new recovery email. After you type in the new recovery email, tap on next and verify that email through the verification code. And you're basically done. That is how you update your recovery email on your Telegram. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more.